what I told him to do. Right, Amie?
Well, he said Vernon had the biggest crew. He said, no, he don't either. I think you got the biggest crew. I think, oh, Fred, let me tell you this. Charlie Chadwell come down there today and said they needed some firefighters. They needed a radio dispatcher. And it's at Danger Boone Forest. And I said, well, if it's that close, I'll go out.
Are you able to?
To talk on the radio? Yeah. Order supplies for them? I think I can handle that.
As long as you think you're able.
Like I said, as long as I share the money with him, I said, you better be talking to these ones that's actually fighting the fire. They'll be the ones making all the money.
Pedal. Pedal.
You didn't ride long.
Wild Eddie got the car there.
Amie, can I ride it?
No, we ride.
Amie, can I ride it?
I ride it, Edo.
I'll ride it once, Edo. Tell Papa he's too big.
This goes mine.
Whose sickle is that?
My pink.
Can I ride it?
My pink. Ride it.
Can I pedal?
No, me pedal it.
No, me pedal.
Can Papa pedal it?
Come around here. Look
No
at this.
pedal it. Me pedal it. Papa, I'll be. What?
Am I riding it?
I'll ride it.
Am I big enough?
No.
Am I too little?
Mm-mm.
Are you too little?
Mm-hmm.
Well, let me ride it.
I'm not.
Let Mama ride it.
Too big, Papa. Memo's too big. Memo break it down.
This pink.
I'm going to ride it now.
She thinks she's as big as we are. Watch you. Fred got a thing about you calling that place when you was in college about the hearing thing going, huh? He said you was full of it. Well, he said a few more words in there I didn't say.
I think I'll ride this sickle.
And Amie's just like Christy and Papa, ain't you, honey? You're all full of it, ain't you? You've got somebody to take it, ain't you?
I'm going to ride this sickle. It's my sickle. So Papa can't get it.
You better get it. Papa's gonna get it. Thank you.
Let me get on it.
No, that's Amie.
Want to push Benny on the bicycle? Put Benny on there and push him.
Let's personalize your sickle, okay? Now. Don't wreck it. Don't wreck Bunny.
Hold on, Bunny.
Uh-oh.
A boo-boo.
Kiss Bunny. Give it a kiss. Now.
Did Bunny get a boo-boo?
Oh, again. We'll have to put a Band-Aid on Bunny's boo-boo.
You wreck?
Uh-oh.
Did you wreck? You wrecked Bunny?
Wreck my Bunny. Point this way. Point this way. Now. I ain't gonna stand there like them people did taking them videos last night and just let them worry themselves to death. Can I have that necklace?
What'd you lay it on the ground for?
I want it.
Let me hold it for you.
No.
Here, let Papa hold it for you.
Broke.
Broke. What broke? that thing laying there. It is broke. Ooh, if that's a worm, I'll die. I thought it was a washer broke. Ugh. Don't bother. I think that's a worm. Don't get it.
Push. Push. Put your feet on the pedal. Push. You ain't dead
Oh, no.
Can I ride now?
Do you believe that James Brandon worked 54 hours last pay period and got 4 hours overtime? Fred? Out of that 54 hours, he got 4 hours overtime.
Yeah.
Because payroll called Diane. She called me today and said that since he's intermittent, that he's not supposed to work over 8 hours a day. Nobody told us that.
Well, he done good then.
Once he gets that 4 hours put back over on his time, he can work 4 more hours.
So long as he's working overtime, we can work him how long as we
Mike
want
said,
to.
my God, I worked him overtime all the time then. I said, yeah.
That's coming out of Mike's budget. If he's got overtime giveaway, I'll take it.
I tried to call James at work today. I'll probably try to call him from here tonight.
What happened to Bunny?
Tell him, because I told him
For
to.
the road.
Fall down the road.
The road.
Come here, let me go put a Band-Aid on Bunny, where it's got all these boo-boos on it. Can we put a Band-Aid on Bunny? On her boo-boo?
Say, no way, Mama. Did Bunny fall down on the road? Does it hurt? Bunny ain't hurt?
Is Bunny crying?
She got a boo-boo? Bunny got a boo-boo? Now it's all better.
Bunny to death.
filthy, dirty, and bone apart.
Now Bunny's all better.
I've tried to find her something with some lace on it.
Got it,
No, she told you she's little. Ride it.
but I wanted to get her on
And you
camera saying
did.
that. I didn't have no. What, Amy?
What'd you say?
Can I ride it? I'm little.
You little.
Yeah.
Am I big?
Yeah.
Yep.
Is that little people's bicycle?
No.
Whose cycle is that?
My sickle.
Is that your sickle? I'm going to ride it now.
Bird fly.
Yeah, I see a bird flying. Did you see one?
Get my bird.
You going to get your bird? Where is it? Where's that bird?
Did she say free? Oh.
Get that bird.
You need to put some bird food out.
Jump up there and get that bird. Get it.
Jump that high, you're going to jump over the house.
Jump up there and get that bird.
Fly like a bird. Flap your arms like a bird.
Do like this, Amy. Fly like them birds do. Ooh, we're getting ready to take off now.
Are you flying?
Jump. There you go.
Fly like an airplane, Amy.
She is full of it, Fred, just like you, honey. You gonna take off in a minute?
Where'd Mama go?
What's this?
Birds! Open free! Hi,
Yeah, it's got a big nest up there.
That's far enough.
Get a bird right there. There's one. Get it.
Right there is far enough, Amy. Stop.
Jeff Gamble brought me some flowers he picked. He said, I seen these and thought of you, and he brought them and I put them in some water. They're still down there. One day last week.
Thank you for that bird.
Hi, bird.
Don't jump so high, you're going to leave.
Whose car is this? Whose car is
Whose
that?
car is that?
Mama.
That's right, that's Mama's.
Mommy.
There's Mommy's car.
Mommy's car.
That's my Mommy's car.
Whose car is that? Where's Fred's car?
This.
Whose car is that?
Mama.
She won't say it no more. Can you say Billy? Amy? Amy.
What's Memo's name?
What's my name? Mama's name's Billy. Can you say Billy?
Barry.
Yeah.
Take your fingers out of
Like
your mouth
Billy,
and say
she
it.
said.
Take your fingers out of your mouth when you talk.
Can you say Billy Joe?
Where's your sickle?
No.
It's asleep, ain't it? Tell Peppa all you sickles asleep. It's resting.
Trunk.
Nat. Uh-oh, you lost your necklace.
Where'd he go?
She got it. Nana Mae. She knows her knows.
Yeah, they're at home.
I'm going to go in the house and play with the toys.